Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be swatching the Holo Taco Remix collection. This collection has 5 super fun limited edition polishes that I will be showing you. Plus there's also an empty bottle called bonus track so you can mix your own, which is a really cool idea. Also, the box is just so much fun. It has a CD you can spin inside, or you could be a DJ, it's totally up to you. So first up is Rainbow Flood, which is a really pretty dark purple holo. I got full coverage in 2 coats for this one. And once you see all the swatches, don't forget to leave a comment letting me know which one or ones are your favorite. Next is Glitterally Purple. I'll be showing you this one over white first. I did 1 coat. Now here is 1 coat over black, which I really love since it looks like galaxies. And then I wanted to try and see how it would build without a base color, so I ended up doing 3 coats. I noticed with certain glitter polishes, if you do sort of mini strokes, it'll build a bit better and cover the nail more, or you can just use the sponging method, which would be really easy. So now we have everything taco, which is such a fun topper. Here is 1 coat over white first. And then this is 1 coat over black. You can really see all the different colors when applied over a dark shade. Next up is Wayback Chrome. I ended up doing 3 coats for this one, but I feel like it's possible to get full coverage in 2 coats. I did notice the colors being a bit more vibrant with 3 coats. Last but not least is Heavy Metal Mixtape. This is a black with metallic silver flakes, and I did 2 coats. Alright, so that does it for the swatches. I really hope you enjoyed seeing them, and thanks so much for watching!